Hey Google, turn on my kitchen lights.
Sure, turning 4 lights on.
My morning breakfast, soba, natto, and an egg. Look at this, oh, deliciousness. It's usually this, and then my coffee, and then back to work. And then I'll be here until lunchtime. So what is a project engineer? In reality, I'm here for coordination and communications between our customers and our manufacturing plants. And why I'm called a project engineer? I have no idea. I have no engineering background at all or certification, but it's still a project engineer. I'm the one making sure the customers are getting what they want and our plants are getting the right information. But it's not just me on the project management team. It's me, the PE, my project manager, and we have a project coordinator for these large job projects that we do. So my role in the project management organization is a technical liaison where I'm helping out with documentation and submittals. And for those who don't know what a submittal is, in the context of construction and manufacturing, it's just a detailed document or sample that we provide to a client for their approvals before we begin our work. And as a loose example, just imagine you're ordering custom furniture. The custom furniture manufacturer will send you design sketches, the material, the wood, or the type of fabric that goes into your custom furniture. They'll send that all to you for approval before they even start manufacturing it. And that's basically what I do. I'm working with our clients and I'm the middleman between communication between them and our plants. I coordinate with our engineers if one plant is building something and another plant is building something else, making sure they fit in the end. On an overview kind of basic level, that's mainly what I do, while the project manager works on scheduling and the finances of the entire project, and the project coordinator works on coordinating the items that we order or the customer ordered. And they focus on that for many more projects than what we have. So now that it's lunchtime, what did my morning look like? Well, I was mainly in meetings. I had a couple meetings this morning with a couple clients who were trying to get approvals from. So we've been giving them submittals and we've been going through a bunch of changes and verifications and making sure we're building to what they want. And we're trying to get their approval, and this last go around, we're very close to it. But not quite yet. One more week in their review and then hopefully we'll be good to go. So mainly my mornings are a bunch of meetings, answering emails, making sure there's no hot items that I really need to get on, which in the construction world, everything's basically hot. Oh yeah, and for lunch I had rice, beans, tofu, and broccoli leftovers. And the best part is, it's remote work. And while it's not 100% fully remote, any remote I'm pretty grateful for. Before where I'm at now, I was a project engineer for an electrical construction company, and I went into the office every single day, including during COVID. So when first COVID hit, I was furloughed for a little bit, and then once the project started picking back up, I went to the office every single day. So I'm very grateful to be working remote. And that's pretty much what I do for a project engineer. All my projects are in the early stages, so I'm working on a lot of documentation. And then maybe in about a year from now, they'll be at the end of the stages. I'll get some more projects, and then I'll finish up closing out a whole bunch of other projects. But that's basically it on a very basic level, not going into really much detail of every single task I need to do or every single thing about a project I do. Projects are very different. They align in the same ways that we do documentation, but different products, different people and teams I need to go through, different coordination. It's almost 2:45. I just had about an hour meeting and then another meeting, but that one got canceled, thankfully. Since one, and I've been doing a little bit of work, but it's time for some coffee. Got a little less than 2.5 hours of work left, and just to end out my day, I'm gonna be working on a submittal and also some drawing coordinations from our engineers. So yeah, boom, it's a little past 5. Now we're done with work. I'm gonna go on a run. Usually don't do it that often, but my health is on a decline, so I'm gonna do that. Otherwise I'd be gaming. But first, I need to do my dishes. Otherwise the wife's gonna come home and pissed at me.
wipe this one. I've got a little egg in it. I'm back. Ran 1.4 miles. I know it's not a lot, but slowly getting back into it. Been like 4 months off of running, and it definitely shows. I'm just gonna soak in this bath bomb and all my sweat, rinse off, shower, and then the wife will be back. The wife will be home in about 45 more minutes, and it's time for dinner. And that's what a day is like for a project engineer in manufacturing. Peace out.